This video is sponsored by ExtremeRate. What's up my peoples, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video. And today I'm going to show you how you can get your PS5 game console looking like this using the ExtremeRate PS5 LED light strip kit. As always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below. And if you want to see more videos and stay up to date each time I release a new vid, then therefore consider subscribing and turning on that bell notification. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right guys, first things first, let's check out the packaging. Now ExtremeRate like to keep things super simple with their box art, so when you receive the LED light kit, you'll receive a package similar to this. Inside you have the LED light strips, as well as one remote controller, one alcohol wipe, one cleaning cloth, one plastic tool, some adhesive sticky pads, one warranty card, and finally instructions on how to set up. In regards to the product breakdown, starting with the LED light strips, you have two LED light strips on one side, followed by the USB cable which plugs into your PlayStation 5. You also have adhesive on the back which sticks to your PS5, and finally regarding the remote, you have the power button, followed by the action buttons which lets you cycle through the different modes available. The setup process is pretty straightforward. To remove the side panels, we will first start off by removing the panel containing the PlayStation logo. Grab the corner where the logo is situated and then lift softly, pulling the panel up but not too much. While holding the corner, slide down the entire panel and the side panel should come off. Flip your PS5 and we will now begin to remove the panel where the disc slot is located. Here we will follow the same steps, but only this time we will pull up on the corner closest to the back of your PS5. Raise the corner slightly and then slide the entire panel down to completely remove. Now that we have the panels removed, let's start by adding the LED light strips. Grab the cloth included inside and then start cleaning the area where the LED lights would go. This will be here on this side and here on the other. Next, grab the alcohol wipes and start cleaning the surface area. From here, we will then start adding the LED strip. Starting with the left side, feed the LED strip through this hole here and then remove the adhesive tape. For extra support, grab the adhesive stickers and place them onto the LED strip. Once done, apply the LED strip onto your PS5 and then replicate the same procedure on the other by feeding the LED strip through here, using the plastic tool provided to press the LED strip firmly in place. Finalize by feeding the USB cable towards the back. Place back the side panels, hit the power button on your remote, and you should be good to go from here. Now for a super quick demo. In this part of the video, I'm gonna go through the different colors and animations available, keep my mouth shut, and let the light show begin. Before we summarize guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now let's get back to the video. Overall, just like the Xbox Series X, the LED light strip really does look good and is the perfect must-have mod for your PS5. You have a range of different colors to choose from, which all have fantastic animations. I'll be honest here guys, I was scared at first to open up my PS5 and install this mod. However, after taking a leap of faith and getting straight into it, I can honestly say that the setup process was genuinely a lot easier than expected and is something that you guys can definitely try at home too. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the ExtremeRate LED light strip mod from Amazon for around £36 and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. What are your thoughts on the LED light strip mod, and is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from tekkerreviews and I will see you all in the next video.